Good morning. How are you? Say hi. Did you sleep good? Yeah? You want breakfast? Dylan, you want breakfast? You need your diaper changed?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you caca? Did you? You need your diaper changed? Time to get up? You love Uncle Bill? Do you? Tell me. You love Mommy? Dylan, stop throwing your stuff overboard. Boo! Yeah. Let's get up. Alright, bye. Say bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.